Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge. In this video, we will be doing the unboxing and we shall take a first look at the Mi SuperBass wireless Bluetooth headphones. So this is the wireless Bluetooth headphones made by Xiaomi. It has a 40mm dynamic driver. It is light and comfortable fit, and it comes with Bluetooth 5.0 technology for enhanced connections and faster connection speeds as well. On this surface of the box, and pricing and other information about the technicalities of this device is present. On the box, the MRP of these headphones has been mentioned as 2,199 rupees, although the current price of these headphones is way lesser. So once we open the box package of these headphones, the first thing we'll get is this user manual and instruction guide. This says Mi SuperBass wireless headphones, and there are some instructions that is present inside this. If you're using a wireless Bluetooth headphones for the first time, you can actually check these instructions and make yourself comfortable with the product. Another thing we get inside the box is these AUX cable. So AUX cable has a 3.5mm port on one side, and also the 3.5mm port has been present on the other side as well, and this gets connected to your headphones and to your smartphones. In case you run out of battery on your headphones, these AUX cable will be really helpful for you. And another thing we get inside the box is this charging cable. This is a micro USB to a normal USB charging cable, which will help you to charge these Bluetooth headphones. So this is also for a very good quality. It looks like a tapered material, and with the help of this you can charge your headphones. And finally we get to the main product, that is the Mi SuperBass headphones. These headphones are the ones that I have purchased in the black color, and as you can see, there is this gold accents that is present on both of the ear tips. The headband of the Mi SuperBass headphones is actually really good, and it will never feel like as if it has been made of a cheap material or something. These are the head adjustment levels that is available. This is the short, this is the highest head adjustment level that is available on these Mi SuperBass headphones. As you can see, there is a cushion material that is present on the inner surface of the headphones that will make sure that you don't get pain after using these headphones for a longer period of time. On this earpiece, there is a large mention of R, the mention of L that has been present on both the ear cups, which will easily help you to identify which is the left earpiece, which is the right earpiece. This is the AUX port of this headphones, guys, as you can see, and this is the USB charging port where you can charge your headphones easily. And the ear tips or the ear cushion that is present on these headphones has a swivel motion movement, which will actually help you to make sure that you don't get pain after wearing these ear cups on your ear for a longer period of time. And we have the control on the right ear cup, the power button, the volume up button, and also the volume down button. We have to long press on these headphones to turn on these headphones first. And once you long press on this, you will see the blue light indicator which comes, which says that the device is in pairing mode. Once the device goes to pairing mode, we can take our smartphone to which you want to connect, or any device to which you want to connect these Bluetooth headphones, and turn on the Bluetooth on that device. And once we turn on the Bluetooth on that device, you will see that Mi SuperBass wireless headphones will be listed in the list of available devices. Just click on pair, and your Bluetooth headphones will be paired successfully. It will also show the status of the headphones, and also it will show the battery indicator, which will easily help you to identify at what level you would have to charge your headphones. So first, let's talk about the build quality of these headphones. In terms of build quality, for the price, the build quality of these headphones are really good. It is made up of hard plastic material, and the build quality in terms of the sturdiness, in terms of the plastic feel of these headphones is really good. It runs on the Bluetooth 5.0, guys. I used it with my iOS smartphone, and as well as I have used it with my Android smartphone. With both the devices, the connectivity is not at all a problem. After the moment I turn on these headphones and turn on Bluetooth on my devices, it will instantly pair. The sound experience that you get from the AUX of these headphones is actually higher or better in terms of the sound experience when compared to the Bluetooth sound quality or the sound experience of these headphones. If you see the product video that Xiaomi described about these headphones, it said that it will be having nearly 20 hours of battery life. From the day I have purchased these earphones, I have not seen myself charging these earphones that much, and I have not felt the urge to charge these earphones more often. The battery life of these headphones can easily last for around 17 hours of actual sound usage. As the name suggests, it is super bass. The bass is really good. It has really good highs when you're listening to really high bass music, or when you're listening to thumping sound like some jig 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 jig, those kind of music. You will really get that good quality sound experience. When you're listening to real music, music, when you're listening to instruments, when you're listening to pure music kind of stuff, that is when you start noticing the cons of these headphones. Now let's talk about the call quality. Call quality on these earphones are really good. Microphone on this earphone also works perfectly. I didn't find any problems from the receiver telling that I'm not able to hear or something like that. No, receiver was able to listen to whatever I'm speaking. So the sound quality of the calls is really good. It gives an excellent battery life when compared to other Bluetooth run audio earphones or headphones that I've used in the past. So that's it for this very quick review of this Mi SuperBass headphones, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos as this one. Thank you for watching, guys.